Hello and a warm welcome, my dear friends. Today we're going to paint this peaceful winter landscape on a black canvas. I start by mixing blue and white to create a cold and soft morning sky, capturing the crisp feeling of a winter sunrise. Then, using a blend of blue, yellow, and a touch of black, I paint the distant cluster of trees. Using a smaller brush, I bring some of the upper trees into clearer focus and add delicate highlights to a few, capturing where the morning light softly brushes their edges. Next, I mix a cool, icy blue and apply it across the ground to create the snowy surface of the landscape. To paint the river, I mix blue, yellow, and a little white to form a beautiful turquoise shade. This color gives a sense of stillness, like water frozen in silence. I deepen the same shade slightly and apply a thin, transparent layer over it, preparing the surface for reflections of trees, snow, and soft winter light. It's time to give the scene more character. I begin adding pine trees that rest in shadow, their silhouettes dark but gently illuminated from behind. Slightly closer to the viewer, I paint little shrubs covered in snow, their branches delicate and shimmering with frost. With a flat brush dipped in soft white, I lightly tap across the river to create subtle sparkles, reflections of sunlight dancing across the icy surface. Now, I shape the snowbanks that frame the river, defining edges with cool blue shadows and hinting at small slopes and gentle curves. With light, broken strokes, I add crisp highlights on top of the snow. These create the sense of coolness, elevation, and softness all at once, just as snow naturally behaves under winter light. In the foreground, I paint a young tree standing gracefully, covered in layers of fresh snow. Its branches are thin and slightly arched under the gentle weight of frost and light. I carefully add shadows and highlights to show how the morning sun touches one side of the tree, while the other remains wrapped in shade. This little tree becomes the poetic focal point of the scene, a quiet witness of winter's beauty. To finish, I dilute white with the slightest touch of yellow, and softly drag the brush from the source of light, creating faint sun rays spreading across the sky and lightly touching parts of the snow. These rays don't shout, they whisper, bringing warmth, depth, and life into the painting. Thank you for painting with me today. I look forward to seeing you in the next artwork. If you enjoyed this painting, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe.